first.
Spider. Never heard of her.
My truck bucket is on in the back.
Your what?
My truck bucket.
Your truck bucket?
Yeah.
What's a truck bucket? I'm new to...
For trucks.
Wow. Dang. That makes sense. I've never had a truck before. Actually, I have had a truck before, but technically. It was so small it didn't count as a truck. Oh my god. Those are sick. They look like projector beams, but you said they're normal halogens, so...
Yeah, they are.
That's pretty sick.
This is where your blinker fluid goes. Yeah. No, it's this tray right here.
Oh, okay.
Like I didn't get that option, so I can't use my blinkers.
Yeah, well, you know what? You and the BMW people, it's okay.
Oh, Jimmy lifted a big plastic beam!
Oh god, dude. I don't have to work out now after that. That was heavy. Holy crap. All right, so one here, one here, one here, one here. Oh, you know.
Oh shit. All right, we got it.
You having fun up there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it looks like fun.
You
Excuse me?
What would you say? There'll be some dope music going over
That's
it.
right. That's right. Roddy Rich head ass? What the fuck? So right now we're removing a screw.
It's all blurry.
Right now we're doing the hardest part for full
I don't know
task.
what to tell you.
This morning when they had all the other action. What was this morning? You were
Hi there.
that was Johnny.
We like to get up close and personal here.
What happened? Removing stuff. Yeah, so there it goes.
What did you just say to the camera?
Nothing that you need to know.
It's going down.
Nothing that you need to know. That's what I love to do.
There's a lot.
They're having a hard time getting that.
Okay.
It would have been a lot easier if you'd cussed it a couple of times.
Yeah, that took 3 people to get that
Hey,
out.
it's out. I just have a rock in my crock.
Well, you don't want to be like,
They don't really know what they're doing, but they're trying very hard. It looks like this right now. This is what they're doing. They're trying to figure out. He doesn't know how to do it. Jimmy might.
Jimmy did it.
Jimmy knows how to do it.
did it.
Can you explain to me what you're doing here?
I'm freaking hacking shit up.
So technically, what are you doing?
That's not YouTube friendly, you bitch.
We don't do that cussing bullshit on this channel. That's
You peel this tape off?
So,
I'm filming.
this connector is actually different.
It is?
Yes.
So all we know is that that fits. We know that this is a headlight.
That works there.
Those are some pliers, and those are Crocs. These are also
Never
Crocs.
mind. I spoke too soon.
You got it.
Nicely done.
You, Eden.
You know, so wait, which two were the brown and the what?
The brown and the yellow, I think, but don't quote me on that. Do you have a power reader measure?
Yeah, I do. I have a multimeter to check. Because what I'll do is I'll just hack into them here on this harness instead and use a butt connector
Hey,
to connect the butts together.
I want this
That's
camera.
what it's actually called.
Listen, I'm gonna start a vlog channel because I love holding this.
That's what she said.
Just become Jimmy's photographer.
Wait, for now, let's.
Hey everybody, so back at it again with another vlog. Today we're at Channel CGE's house, putting in new headlights.
Who the hell is Channel CG?
I don't know what's his name now. Oh, the car did what?
High beam. You're the high beam?
What the fuck? That's not a high beam.
What? Wait, what are the high beams? Are they the lower bowl? I don't know. They're Chevy things, okay? Try it again.
Me neither.
You own one.
Do you have games on your phone?
In this bitch. Is it in one of your cabinets? No. You're recording.
Alright, so what are we doing? We're wiring up the daytime running lights, and basically we're wiring them in with the parking lights really quick with these butt connectors. Joel thought that was so hilarious. But yeah, we're just gonna cut some shit and hope for the best because that's how we do it here on Channel CG. No going back now. Where'd my butt connectors go? There they are.
You're looking in the wrong spot, boy.
Wrong butt connector.
2,000 years later.
All right, here's a look at the finished light. Everything good. The wiring we spliced in so that it goes on with the parking lights. And pretty fire. Pretty fire. Did we get a shot of it when we turned them on?
No, I will.
Turn it on right now. Go ahead. Oh, those are bright. They all look. They all work. Yeah, those are bright. Those look really sick. One more needs to go in. V8, baby. Oh my gosh.
I see it.
Can you get your hand there? I got a magnet too.
Do you have smaller hands? Try it. You see it?
You already know I have small hands.
Boom, 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 boom.
Alright, come with me. I'm friendly, I promise.
That's actually kind of a cool shot. I love myself.
You're a whole photographer now. Well, guys, what do you think? Should I get a truck?
Yes.
Because I've been debating it, honestly. That's my next vehicle.
You were supposed to give me the S10.
Well, I'm sorry. I don't know. I might get one. I'm really tempted in place of the daily, but we'll see. Comment below. Poll in the corner. You can't actually do polls in the corner anymore, which is sad. Comment below if you think I should get a Silverado like Joel.
You know, you get a Chevy, you can pull big loads. You get a Ford, you can big loads.
You said it, not me.
So this is not focusing worth of bullshit.
Decided to give Joel the sauce. Now the job is done and my fingerprints are all over it. Gotta cover up the evidence that I was ever here. With a little bit of 3-in-1 detailer. Ooh, icy.
It smells good.
It smells actually really good. I've not used this stuff yet, not gonna lie. And it smells really good. Oh, look at that.
Shots.
What are you whispering about? God, you want to whisper?
I said I want to take the money shots.
Oh. Guys, these things look so cool. I want a truck really bad now.
You can't have mine.
You can't have mine. I'll make you a good deal. This turned out awesome. This is a lot of fun. It's been a while since I had someone else here in the shop other than my own crap, so it's fun. Shout out to Joel. Those look sick. Yeah, you can adjust them really easily if they're a little off, but... Ooh, yeah, they bright. Oh, damn. Illuminated.
I can't tell if they're brighter than my old ones or not.
I think they are.
I know the low beams are like a projector lens in them, so
yeah,
you're probably a little bit more aimed. Yeah, you can see how it's like, how it ends.
The line is definitely a lot.
Yeah,
better.
yeah. Way better than the lights in my car. That's for sure. Woo! Hey, she's pretty quick. Not bad, bro. So, Joel, have you ever ridden in a turbo car? No. Ever? No. So, Joel is a turbo virgin, and he's gonna go for a little ride in the PTGT. Even though she still has a boost leak and stuff.
Have your seats?
Yeah.
She's quiet.
Yeah, I know. Inside it is. Roll the window down. You guys want to do the honors?
Oh,
Gwen wants to.
fuck.
Joel's like, damn, I missed my chance to hold the camera.
Wait, it's on me!
Yeah, it's on you, you retard.
The turbo blur.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
And traction control.
That's awesome.
Right? No, I have a bad day. I just get in the start for a little bit. And it's a good day.
Awesome.
Fast and the Furious.
Yeah.
You gonna sleep?
Right.
Yeah. make it not smooth. Hell yeah. Still my plan. Hate your car. Wait, I got something weird there. He's like, what? Do it again. I didn't know you saw it, so I didn't actually see it. I was looking down at my penis. Of course, every moment.
That would have been so funny.
That would have sucked. We only did it for a brief moment, so.
It would have been funny for me, let me say.
It would not have been funny for me. Going to jail with
Hey, what's up guys? Back at it again. Tonight we are going to jail with CGE.
I heard a little bit.
I heard a poopy.
What is wrong with you? You're a child.
Don't yell at me! Ouch.
My e-brake light doesn't work at all, but we're gonna use it anyways. Oh yeah, a little. Jeez.
Oh, smell it.
Not bad.
Oh, get into it.
Wait, did you just say what I think you did?
Yeah.
It took me a second.